Paano kayo magtalop ng sayote? Si Mr. V, kinuha niya na to kanina and gusto niyang iganon. Sabi ko, no, ako na yung gagawa. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ako tinuruan ng papa ko magtalop ng sayote. So, you have to cut it into 4 like this. Kasi, mas madali. So, cut the nguso. And then, cut into half. Cut into half. And then remove this part. Yan. 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 Mr. V, watch and learn. So after na-split mo yung half into half, which is 1/4, pwede mo nang alisin yung buto. There. Di ba, Mr. V?
Yeah.
Ngayon, marunong na rin si Mr. V. So I have 1/4 of the sayote. And then that's when you use your peeler and peel. So mas madali. Wala ka ng... Ayan. That's how to cut. To peel, I mean, your sayote. And then pag na-peel mo na yan, then saka mo na i-cut into kung ilan ang gusto mo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi naka-vlog.